There are a few different ways to organize your apps on your iPhone, depending on your personal preference. By category. You can group your apps by category, such as productivity, entertainment, or social media. To do this, create folders on your home screen by dragging one app onto another app. Then, drag other apps into the folder to group them together. Alphabetically. You can arrange your apps in alphabetical order by tapping and holding on an app until all the apps on the home screen start jiggling. Then, drag the apps into alphabetical order. By usage frequency. You can organize your apps based on how frequently you use them. To do this, move the apps you use most often to the first page of your home screen or dock, and move less frequently used apps to the second or third page. By search. You can also use the search feature on your iPhone to find apps quickly, rather than organizing them manually. Here are several tools available that can help you manage your apps on your iPhone. App Library. App Library is a feature built into iOS that automatically organizes your apps into categories and displays them in a separate section at the end of your home screen pages. You can access App Library by swiping left on your home screen pages. This feature can help you keep your home screen pages less cluttered, and it makes it easy to find the apps you need. Screen Time. Screen Time is a feature in iOS that allows you to set limits on your app usage and track how much time you spend using different apps. You can access Screen Time by going to Settings, Screen Time. This feature can help you become more mindful of how much time you spend using certain apps and can help you reduce your screen time if you want to. App Store. The App Store is where you can download and update your apps. You can access the App Store by tapping on the App Store icon on your home screen. Within the App Store, you can search for apps, read reviews, and download or update apps. App Cleaner. App Cleaner is an app that allows you to easily uninstall apps from your iPhone. To use App Cleaner, simply launch the app and select the apps you want to uninstall. App Cleaner will then remove the selected apps and any associated files to free up space on your device. iCloud. iCloud is a cloud storage service provided by Apple. You can use iCloud to back up your apps and app data, which can be helpful if you switch to a new iPhone or if you need to restore your iPhone. To use iCloud, go to Settings greater than your name, greater than iCloud, and turn on the apps you want to back up. App Managers. There are several third-party app managers available on the App Store that can help you organize, sort, and manage your apps. These managers can help you quickly find and launch apps, and they often offer features like custom app folders, smart search, and app suggestions based on your usage patterns. Some popular app managers include Launch Center Pro, AppSort, and AppLocker. App Permissions. iOS allows you to control which apps have access to your device's features like your camera, microphone, and location. You can view and manage app permissions by going to Settings, Privacy. From there, you can choose which apps have access to which features, and you can revoke permissions for apps that you no longer use or trust. App Tracking Transparency. In iOS 14.5 and later, Apple introduced a new feature called App Tracking Transparency, which requires apps to get your permission before they can track your activity across other companies' apps and websites. When an app wants to track your activity, you'll see a pop-up notification asking for your permission. You can choose to allow or deny tracking on a per-app basis, and you can change your preferences at any time by going to Settings, Privacy, Tracking. Siri Suggestions. Siri can suggest apps based on your usage patterns, location, and time of day. You can access Siri suggestions by swiping down on your home screen or by swiping right on your lock screen. Siri suggestions can be a helpful way to discover new apps and keep your most frequently used apps easily accessible.